7.7 is modeling with exponential and logarithmic functions. So on this lesson, I just took what you really needed to know, which was writing exponential functions. And there are 4 problems on this notes page, and they are all identical. Okay, so they're going to tell you to write an exponential function. Remember, that's something raised to an exponent of x. And they're going to give you 2 points. So they gave me 1, 6, and 354. So I labeled them x and y. And then I'm going to take my y value and put it where y is. So I wrote 6 equals AB to the first because 1 was my x value. I'm going to do the same thing with 3 and 54. 54 equals AB to the third. Over here, I want A by himself, so I'm going to move B to the other side. So I'm going to divide by B. So once A is by himself, I'm going to put him where A is in the other equation that you wrote down at the beginning. So where A is, I have 6 over B, and I have a B to the third also there. If I have 3 B's here and 1 on the bottom, 3 minus 1 is 2. Divide by 6. 9 equals b squared, and when I square root, b is 3. If you go back over here where b is, and I put 3 where my b is, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So now I can write my equation. Y equals whatever your a number is, whatever your b number is, raised to the x. Okay, number 3. My 2 points are 2 and 12 and 3 and 24. So I'm going to write my 2 equations. 12 equals AB to the second. 24 equals AB to the third. Solve this guy for A. So I move B squared to the other side. A is now by himself. Put A where A is in the other equation. So 24 equals 12 over b squared, b to the third. I have 3 b's here, 2 b's on the bottom. 3 minus 2 makes 1b. When I divide by 12, I get that b is 2. If I go back over here where b is and plug 2 in, 12 divided by 2 squared, so 12 divided by 4 is 3. So when you write your equation, y equals your a value and your b value raised to the x.